Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come to you today with a very quick Louis Vuitton unboxing video. I have the box right here. I've removed the label from it, but this is a completely blind unboxing. I have not seen the item yet, and so I thought I would just do a quick video. We can go through it together, and you can also get an idea of the packaging and paperwork that comes with an online order. Well, I guess this isn't a true online order. I ordered it from the boutique, but it was like a special order sort of item. It wasn't in store, but they said they could fulfill it. It's been about 10 days since I've been to the Louis Vuitton boutique, and this just showed up today, which is very exciting. So the way that the process worked is I paid for the item in store. I got an email confirmation, and then about 10 days later, I got an email, sorry about the train. I got an email confirmation that my order had shipped, and then this box showed up today. So you can see it's just kind of like, this could be anything, sort of looks like Apple iPhone box or something like that. It had like a couple of labels on the outside, but nothing that could really identify it as Louis Vuitton, which is actually really great because it's safer. People, can't spot it as much. Although I wonder if like the discreet boxes, they're like, I know something's good in there. It could be Apple, could be whatever. So here's the pull tab. We'll do it together. All right. To reveal this little Louis Vuitton label inside. That is so cute. There's this little sticker here, so you can seal it if you want to return the label. Inside, kind of hidden in this compartment, is my item. Oh, and you know what? This is actually not so much the online experience because it's missing all of the additional paperwork. So I take that back. This is what it's like to order an item from in-store. It has the little gift card and a bow. And so let's unwrap it together. I'm like kind of excited, kind of nervous. I also got a notification that like my Starbucks order is like getting delivered soon. So this is going to be a really short video. Inside is the dust bag. So I already told you guys what this was, but oh my gosh. This is just the card holder to match my recent Wild at Heart on the Go collection. Wild at Heart on the Go bag. Wild at Heart collection on the go bag. See, now I'm nervous because my Uber Eats order is coming. So inside we have the little labels. This is the item code if you're interested. It's black leather up here, which is really nice. I didn't realize that when I ordered it. And then the canvas on both sides. I love the little touches of pink, and then there's the pink on the sides here. And I just thought it would be fun to have an item that matched, made in Spain, that matched my on-the-go tote. So this is the little item that came today. I'm so excited. Let me check the glazing. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. This is my preferred type of wallet to use. I'm not like a huge wallet person. I prefer a card holder. These hold about, you can put two maybe in each slot. So I'd put two here, and then maybe 2 or 3 in the middle. I would fit like my ID, my insurance card, and then like an emergency card in the middle. But yeah, so that is my little Louis Vuitton unboxing. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this super quick video. I gotta go get that coffee. It's pumpkin spice season. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, please subscribe to my channel. I try to post videos at least once a week, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what videos you would like to see. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.